I welcome you back again to another video lecture on C++, and in this video lecture we'll go ahead and write a simple project that will help us to dictate the first and last values in an array. Let's go ahead and kick off by initializing variables of x, n, and let the next one be r for array, and then let it be, let's say, 100, depending on how many values you want to put in. Now the next thing we need to do is to request the user to insert some numbers right in there. So I'm going to say choose. That is the first thing we need to do. Not insert, but choose the range of array element. Choose range of array element. And end line. So whatever the user chooses, we go ahead and save that right inside n and press semicolon. Now we're going to tell the user to, alright, so go back to this output stream and put this because it's very necessary. So I'm going to tell the user to insert only n. So insert only n numbers. So insert only n numbers and end the line. So whatever the user insert, go ahead and put that right inside x, and then once you store that, okay, because this is an array, we can't just store that right inside x. Let's go ahead and use a for loop. That would be the best thing for us. So go ahead and use a for loop and say, sorry, x is equal to 0 plus semicolon, and x is less than n numbers that the user inserts, plus semicolon, and x increment, or increment x rather. That is the best thing. Now let's go ahead and collect that cin, and we're going to place that right inside the array, and place the value of x right inside the array, and put a semicolon at the end. If we have done this, we'll now go ahead and print out. So I'm going to say the first number is, and to print out the first number, we're going to use array of index 0. Okay, so the index 0 will print out the first number, and go ahead and say, and the last number is, so the last number is, so what we're going to use is array of the index n. Okay, go ahead and press semicolon at the end. Go ahead and press semicolon at the end, and we'll go ahead and try to run this and check it out. So run this code and let's make sure. We are not sure if this is going to work out fine the way it should be. Let's say 5 and enter only 5, and let that be 9, 6, 7, 4, 5. So the first number is 9, but the last number is not printed out as 5. Let's go ahead and fix this. Okay, so for the last one, the first one is index 0. To get the last index is equal to n minus 1. So n minus 1 and not just n will help us to do that, because I was not sure then. All right, so I know that we're not going to get that because we didn't put minus 1. So let's say choose a range of array elements and 7, and let's go ahead and say 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1, and you can see the first number is 7 and the last number is 1. Can you see that? It works out fine. You can try out one more time, and let's say the range is 5 and the element is 4, 5, 6, 7, that's 4, 54, 98, and the first number is 4, 5, 6 and the last number is 98. So you can see that this is really working out very fine. So go ahead and put this down on your own system, you play around with it, and if you have any question, please go ahead and use the question and the answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.